everybody, thanks for joining me today. Today I'm going to show you how to make your own ear wires using half hard wire, and these are sterling silver or copper. First, you want to start off by cutting 4 inches of wire. Next, I'll be using the wood mandrel from Artistic Wire brand, and I'll be rolling it over the top of my wire. This will make the wire stronger and it will be stiffer once it's an ear wire. It also straightens it out as you're working with it. Next, you want to find the halfway mark, and with a permanent marker, mark the copper or sterling silver wire. Take your flat nose pliers and find your permanent mark and bend the wire over the flat nose pliers. This should make both sides equal. If one side is a tiny bit longer, just take your wire cutters and cut the ends so they are the same length. Next, you want to cut the center bend in half in the middle so each side is equal length. Next, you want to cut the slight curve here to make your wire flush. And you have same size wires. Next, you want to take your beadalon battery operated cup burr, which is what I'll be using, or if you like the wood cup burr, this is also an option. For this one, you just cup the end of your wire and turn it gently, and this will smooth out the end of your wire into a nice round. Or you can take the battery operated one. I really like this one, it's fun to use. And this will smooth and round out the ends of your wire so they won't be sharp. And you want to make sure to do all the ends of your wire. Yay, I'm telling you, this is a lot of fun. You need to get one of these tools. I've smoothed out the ends of my wire, and now I'm going to use my bail making tool, and I'm going to use the smallest tip. It's 2 millimeter. And I'm going to put the 2 ends in together, and I'm going to use this tool, and I'm going to wrap the wires around, and this will form 2 loops at the end. And these loops will be where you attach your earring piece. Now we have 2 loops formed at the end. If at any time you want to smooth out your wire again, grab your beadalon nylon pliers and just go over the wire and it will smooth it out. Next, take your 2 loops and we're going to go to the middle end of our pliers here, and we're going to pinch them in the center and have them kind of nestle up against the edge of the smaller of the 2 larger barrels at the bottom. And you're going to take the wire and you're going to curve it around the larger bail, and this will form your ear wire body. And so now you have your ear wire formed, and they're both the same size with the same size loops and everything else. Next, take the 2 tails at the end, and again your smaller bail on your maker here, and we're going to turn it up and just form a small curve and an arch at the base of our ear wires here. And there you go. And now you have 2 matching ear wires that are the same length and size. Now if you wanted to switch up anything, you could grab a metal base here and a hammer, and you can hammer your ear wires to give it a texture. Also, hammering your ear wires will make them stronger and more of a stiff metal. And now you've made your own ear wires. Thanks for joining me today, and check out my other tutorials on my YouTube channel. You can find me online at Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. And please like and subscribe.